Okay, now I'll teach you how to install the RIP software for our Focus Athena-Jet DTG printer. First, we find the file named RIPrint from Focus Support USB flash. Then double-click to set up. And next, choose the install folder. And next, just click next for finish the installation. Then next, I finish and then repair and finish. After that, you plug in the dongle. Then you open the icon of a RIP, named RIPrint. Okay, so this is the interface of the RIP software. Then we go to the some setting, go to RIPrint, and we go to the print setting, and here choose the Focus W5113 print head. To be sure, choose the first one for DTG printer. After that, exit. So this is the installation procedure for the RIP software. Thank you.